Hello YouTube world, Mac Daddy 1981 here with Shade Tree Survivalist. Just got off work, checked the mailbox. Like to say thank you to W. Morris of Mission, Kansas on eBay. Said we'd get this thing about the 28th. Today's the 24th if I'm not badly mistaken. What could that be? That's an odd looking doohickey-maroony. Any of y'all recognize that baby? Anybody? Hang on to your darn hats now. Which pocket? Ooh. Screwdriver. Let me make sure this thing is going to work. Ooh, it works perfectly. Y'all remember this from the other day? In that sad state of affairs right there? About to remedy that damn situation. Quick, and in a hurry. Figured I would share this with you guys. Kimo was in town doing some shopping. And I am not. I know damn good and well this is the correct screw, so why don't you want to go down in there? Maybe, I don't think it'd be the short one. Maybe it is a short one. I could have swore the long one went down into the top, not into the bottom. Apparently so. All right then, well, we'll stick the damn little one in there then, I guess. That is not, there ain't no way. Oh, I see what I'm doing wrong. I guess it is the damn long one that has to go down in there. What I have done wrong, ladies and gents, is I did not put my damn sling swivel in the spot. Okay, so it's been a minute since I've done this. Give me a freaking break. You want to curve the bottom hook pointed toward the front, okay? Now, by granny, we're cooking with some freaking gas. I hope I got the right damn screws in the right damn spots. I always could have swore the damn long one went to the top, but it's screwing right on in. Now, a lot of y'all going to be like, well, that damn thing's beat up. How much you pay for it? I paid about $4 more for it than I would have if I'd have got it through numerous gun parts out of, yeah, I'm backing it out of New York. But they are closed because of the coronavirus and all the crap that the governor up there has inflicted upon these folks. That one has tightened right up, I'm hoping. This is the only long screw I got. And I know damn good and well it came out of that. One of my neighbors coming in. Let's have some crap on them threads or something. Don't look like it's cross-threaded any, but damn if it didn't get just tight, baby. And these are the original parts of that old Betsy. That cannot be right. Just screw in a couple turns and just stop. Don't piss me off, you mother flipper. Let me check on my other screws. I'll get right back with you. We'll take the rear one out of this one, see if the screw pattern's the same. Let's see. Hell, that one's the same length. Don't you dare. Don't you dare, sucker. Let me go get that other short screw. It just looks like I'm going to have one of them damn days, y'all. You know, it started out really good day today. And I went by to order the scope and the guy wasn't there. I could order it myself. Might even save $1, I don't know. But I try to do business with my local businesses, so there you go. Well, I have no idea why neither one of those screws are working that particular one. They both work in this new one that's attached to the sling still. And y'all can see this one freaking weird old sling, but what the hell. They make sure I ain't smoking crack. Yeah, screws right in it. This is the original screw. It came out of the wooden stock, if I'm not badly mistaken. See, it'll start and then it stops, like Blessed America Concrete. So what we'll do, instead of using that one, it must be damaged or something. I'm not sure. Yeah, see, it starts right in and stops. Starts right in and stops. And I'm not sure if that's 1/4-20 thread or what that is, so what I will do is just steal one out of this stock and use it in that stock, because I want my GI fiberglass stock with my GI freaking buster freaking head wide open sling. Yep. Now, I know a lot of people are going to say, "Steel butt stock, have you lost your mind? That's 308, buddy. It'll beat the snot out of you." I put 150 rounds to this rifle, or the old Betsy, in this original GI fiberglass stock in one afternoon, rapid fire, and it didn't hurt me. Hurt less than running 5 rounds of double-aught buckshot through a 12-gauge shotgun. It hurt a lot less. Just snug it up. Now, got that done. I will unwind or undo the other end of this sling and attach it, and then I'll get back with you. Oh, I want to add this right quick. I'll just throw it in there somewhere. I ran the screw in from the opposite direction, and it had boogered the threads apparently a touch. And hell, I ran it right in with my fingers until it got that spot, and it didn't take 1 or 2 turns. It went right on in, so put the screw back in here. So now I've got 2 stocks set up so I can use the, put that rifle in either one of these stocks. So, there you go. Now, the whole idea of that, of course, one of them was for accuracy in the prone, and the other, of course, was to close the 2 holes for your cleaning kits, and of course the others are combat related. Pop, busting somebody in the head with it. So now I got the rifle in a real deal GI stock with a real deal, hopefully a real deal GI butt plate. But yeah, it worked fine. I got it in there. It's good and tight, good and snug, and now, it's ready to rock. I mean, right now, if I had to fight from here to that tree line, which is 200 yards from this porch to that tree line out there, wear your ass out. Promise you. But it will be more better. Some good old neighborhood language. It will be more better with that 7-power scope, because my eyeballs suck. Y'all stay tuned now. All right. Remove loaded magazine. Remove cartridge from chamber. cartridge is removed. Double check, cartridge is moved. Ensure rifle is on safe. Grasp rifle here. Clamp your hand over it. Unlock the trigger guard. Pull trigger mechanism out. Grasp barrel up here at the top. Push out and pull up. Rifle is disassembled. Grasp sight. You see the little hook right there? Hook that under the ferrule that's on the end of the stock. Align receiver. Press in with hand. Grasp once again. Open the trigger guard out. Align with little hole. Alright, baby, come on now. Why you being a pain in my ass? Push in like so. Press down and latch. That is probably a little loose. Now, completed M14 butt pad. Okay, now what's the deal with the little door here? What's the little deal with that? That is so, remember now we got the rifle unloaded. Let me see which side it is. On the, it would be the left side of the rifle. You press in on this little tab right here and pull out. And you have a little compartment door, a hatch, because that's what that is, it's a hatch. And you have the access to your two holes we didn't want to put the screws through. Put it back. Slap back shut. Now, this is supposed to aid in accuracy in the prone position so the stock does not slide down out of your shoulder pocket. It keeps it up there. And on some of the newer gear, it may hang up and get in the damn way. But it's going to work fine, and that is the real deal right here, baby. This looks like it's even bent just a tiny bit. I don't give a damn. Now, insert loaded mag. Jack a round into the chamber. Yes, you can see it. Ensure it is fully seated. Damn, that's fine. Now that is the way you do it. Not no wimpy. I almost said a wordy dirt. Titty baby sissy. Non-fighting kind of rifle. This here's all combat, baby. Anywho, ladies and gentlemen, Mac Daddy 1911A1. Tomorrow I will go back up there and order the scope. I don't have to order it to them. I can order it right here at home on this computer, online, and have it delivered to me. But here's the deal. When I really need something, I want that damn store to be here. Okay? And I want their gun department to be successful. Therefore, I order stuff through them that I can easily order myself. I'm more familiar with what I'm looking for. Burris 2 to 7 power by 32 scalp scope. It's actually listed under their website in 2 locations. One is handgun scope for you guys who shoot the 460s, the 454s, the 500 Smith & Wesson Magnum in a real capacity for hunting and or target shooting, which why in the hell you shoot a 500 for that, I don't know, but that's just me. But it's listed in either one of those locations. It has a 1-inch main tube, 32-inch objective, or 32 millimeter, not inch. And it's very small, very lightweight, less than a pound, 13 ounces, and I'm gonna have the 1/4-inch high Burris extreme tactical rings, which just a name, that's all that is. And it will be mounted up here as soon as I get it. But yes, you either support your local businesses or you won't have them. Anywho, Mac Daddy 1911A1 with the Shade Tree Survivalist. Just got off work. Got the freaking butt plate. And we're in business. Business. You hear me? But anywho, without further ado or BS, thank you very much for watching. Y'all stay tuned. We will have another video I'm not sure if it'll be this weekend or not. I need a 100-yard range to do a proper bullseye setup on the rear sight. But y'all stay tuned. I will do the video. I just have to have the range to do it. But anywho, y'all take care. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all keep checking back. We're going to have more videos up.